Hey YouTube, long time no talk. How's it going? Sorry I haven't posted in a few days. I've just been busy working. I just got off literally about an hour ago. I was supposed to be off at 10:30, but you know how jobs go. So, I know I haven't updated you in a while. Oh, look at this. A little pooch. A little pooch. There is Dylan. I know I haven't updated you guys in a while, so I thought I'd update, have my smoke, and you know, give you guys pretty much what's been going down in my life. So let's go. Oh, dodged a June bug. That motherfucker almost got me. Alright, so. Well, today is the 7th. It's a Thursday. I haven't posted for like a week just because I've been working nonstop. I've been making that money, which is good. And let's see what's been going down since I've last talked to you. Making money, driving around delivering pies all night. Pretty much, I work for Papa John's. You know, delivering, folding boxes. Getting paid though, which is good. I missed the 4th of July because of delivering pizzas, so I only mentioned that because I just heard a firework pop off. Over here, we're not allowed to have certain fireworks, so a lot of people drive to the next state over to buy them. You know, Illinois. But I hope everyone's doing great, because I know I'm doing pretty good. I can't complain. My girlfriend right now, she's at her house playing video games with her brother. Wow. I just got home. I'm gonna partake in some herbs in a little bit. Let's see, happy 4th of July to everyone, even though it's like the 7th, 3 days later. Let's see what else goes down. What else has gone down? What else has gone down? I still haven't cut my hair. It's super long still and fluff. So I'll definitely have to cut that soon. Pretty much the same shit, man. Like, same shit, different day again. Just driving a lot more. I'll definitely make a vlog next time I work. I say that now, but I'll probably forget. I'll take you guys on a few deliveries, hopefully. And, man, the stars are pretty beautiful tonight. You can see them all well. Yes, well, you guys probably can't see because I got that, like, forward camera. And I got an iPhone 4, so it's probably not going to show up at all. The stars are beautiful tonight. Kind of cold out here. It rained all day today. My car, I got to get new tires because it was slipping and sliding. I definitely got my Void card, so I think I told you guys that, though. So I'm still saving up for a gun. And, yeah. Working at Papa John's is weird. It's like, I mean, I've delivered pizzas before, but this place, they actually, like, pay more than just tips. The last pizza place I paid just in tips, and it was, like, hard to live off that. So I stopped working there. But Yeah, Papa John's. It's weird, you know. It's I go in. Usually they give you something to do before you leave, so right before you clock out, you finish your work. Today I had to clean the oven trays, which kind of sucked, but I mean it was easy. It's easy work, so that's why I like it. And I can still partake in the herbs, if you get what I mean. But there we go. Fucking light. But yeah, it was easy. It's been easy. Everything's been going good. Haven't been blogging though. I need to start again. So I'll start blogging again. Since I'll post this one tonight. And maybe I'll make one tomorrow since it's my day off. I don't know what I'm doing yet. Definitely got to go buy some things. More shampoo. I'm running out of shampoo. Body wash. Deodorant. Toothpaste. For them pearly whites. They're not even pearly white because of these. They're like pearly gold. But I gotta get toothpaste. What else do I gotta get tomorrow? That's pretty much it. Other than that, I'm just gonna be chilling, relaxing tomorrow. Maybe play some video games. I wanna go look for a couple of video games for the PlayStation 1. I think I might just actually buy a PlayStation 2 because there's a bunch of cool games for PS2 that I used to have. I mean, I used to have a PS2, but I used to have an Xbox 360 too, but sold all that stuff, didn't need it anymore. Right now I'm playing an emulator on my tablet, playing some Pokemon. I know it's goofy, but I'm a 90s kid, so, you know, I was born with that shit. Here comes the pooch again. Just want to say goodnight. Alright, so heading back upstairs to my room to get my little ritual on and start partaking in my herbs. And then I'll probably eat dinner. Maybe Bob Marley. Maybe just relax, play some more of that Pokemon. I just beat Fire Red. Now I got the old version of Blue, so I've been playing that. It's been fun, but yeah, you know. So YouTube, it was nice talking to you again, and I should upload more soon. Thanks for having that cigarette with me, and maybe I'll upload tomorrow, hopefully. See you later.